For joining us here on this debate. Sanju Verma continues to stay with us. Now, over to the national capital where the political temperatures have been rising. Can Arvind Kejriwal take a dip in the Yamuna? No, we are not asking that question. In fact, it's been posed by Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Entering the Delhi poll fray at a BJP rally in the national capital, Yogi Adityanath criticized the Aam Aadmi Party and even Arvind Kejriwal for poor governance. He has accused Kejriwal of betraying not just the trust of Anna Hazare, but also of the Delhi ki Janta for neglecting essential services and facilitating illegal settlements. Emphasizing the need for a Bharatiya Janata Party government in Delhi, Yogi has highlighted infrastructure improvements in Uttar Pradesh. This as a benchmark for Delhi. Now that Yogi Adityanath has entered the poll fray, will BJP star Neta hurt the Aam Aadmi Party? Let me quickly pose that question to all our panelists. But before I do that, let's also listen in to some voices that have spoken up.
अगर एक मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में मैं और मेरे मंत्रीगण प्रयागराज के संगम में स्नान कर सकते हैं, तो मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी के अध्यक्ष से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी से मैं पूछना चाहता हूं, क्या यमुना जी में वह भी अपने मंत्रियों के साथ जाकर के स्नान कर सकते हैं क्या? ये झूठ का एटीएम बनने की बजाय अगर उन्होंने जनता की जन सुविधा और विकास के बारे में सोचा होता तो 10 वर्ष में दिल्ली की कायाकल्प हो गई होती। यानी आज भी इनकी तुष्टीकरण की जो पॉलिसी चली आ रही है, बांटो और राज करो की पॉलिसी चली आ रही है, वह अभी भी मानदेय और सरकारी पैसे से उस मानदेय या भत्ता देने में भी उसमें ये लोग परहेज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं।
All right, on that note, let me introduce my esteemed panelist, Sanju Verma, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, continues to stay with me. I'm also joined in by Anika Malhotra, who's a spokesperson for the Congress Party. Many thanks to you ladies for joining in. In fact, Sanju, the credit is being taken away as far as a clean Ganga is concerned. We've just heard Sandeep Dixit take that credit away, saying that the cleaning up of the Ganga happened during Rajiv Gandhi's time.
You know, Akanksha, first and foremost, the Congress Party needs to know that it is not in the equation at the hustings with respect to the Delhi elections. This is clearly a two-way fight between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, and the Congress is simply hallucinating if it believes that it even has a fig leaf of a chance. The one thing that keeps coming up on a zillion debates that I've done on the Delhi elections is, oh, you know, the only time good governance tha, that was under Sheila Dikshit's reign as Chief Minister, which I think is a whole lot of balderdash. The truth needs to be told. Under Sheila Dikshit's incompetent nose, we had the Commonwealth Games in 2010. And let's not forget that initially it was said that the Commonwealth Games, the entire cost of the project would be 296 crore. Thanks to the rampant corruption, the Commonwealth Games, the entire cost of hosting those games, which was shoddily done, was more than 28,846 crore. Suresh Kalmadi was arrested, a close confidant of Sheila Dikshit. Lalit Bhanot was arrested, a close confidant of Sheila Dikshit. Rajkumar Chauhan was arrested, a close confidant of Sheila Dikshit. So Sheila Dikshit had a lot of soiled hands. She was not somebody who came with clean hands when it comes to being infallible and incorruptible. That's the first point. The second point is, for the longest time, the Congress has not been able to go beyond that 17-18% vote share in Delhi. And even that 17-18% vote share does not translate into winnable seats. Now just look at Lok Sabha 2024. The BJP had a 54% vote share and the total number of votes polled was more than 45 lakh. The Congress had a vote share of close to 18%, but the total number of votes polled was barely 16.5 lakh. So the Congress is not in the equation. Now coming to the Aam Aadmi Party. Aam Aadmi Party needs to realize this. What is the track record of Arvind Kejriwal? जहरीली हवा, बदबूदार पानी, टूटी फूटी सड़कें, कूड़े का ढेर, a revenue surplus Delhi turns into revenue deficit Delhi, मैं तो जी कट्टर ईमानदार हूं, and the CAG report indicts Kejriwal of a 26 crore fraud.
All right, Sanju,
2026
you've
crore
set the
fraud.
tone for the debate. You've set the tone for the debate. I want to give Anika time to respond to what you had to say. Before I do that, let me also introduce Abhinandita Mathur, who is the spokesperson for the Aam Aadmi Party, is joining us on the debate as well. Many thanks to you, Abhinandita, for joining in. Anika, how do you respond to the attack coming in? Why should the Dilliwalas vote for the Congress party, given that they've been decimated for over a decade now in the national capital?
Akanksha ji, Bharatiya Janata Party is a shameless kind of a party. It has no base. So instead of saying ek hai,
I
safe hai,
take
they
strong
better say
objection to
fake.
this kind
Ek
of
minute,
language.
remain quiet, ma'am, please.
Let's not use adjectives. Let's not use adjectives and let's not speak over each other. Anika, please, let's not use adjectives. Let's not be disrespectful and let's not get personal. No, Sanju, let me speak to Anika. Sanju, please, no adjectives. No adjectives.
No sense.
Sanju,
औकात में रहो।
no,
औकात में
Sanju,
रहो।
let's not get personal over here. Sanju, let's not get personal. Sanju, please, let me moderate this discussion. Ladies, Anika, one of us will have to.
बेवकूफी का प्रदर्शन कर
Sanju, please, let's not get personal. Sanju, I'll have to mute you people. No, please, let's not get personal. Anika, please make your point without using any adjectives. Anika. Sanju, please let her make a point. Sanju, she did not speak when you were making your point.
Shut your mouth. And listen carefully now.
Sanju, all right. No abuses, not getting personal.
please stop
No
it.
adjectives. Yes, Anika, please make your point. Sanju, please, let's not get personal over here. Anika, please go ahead.
Stop
Make your
babbling
point.
and jumbling. Enough of this nonsense, ma'am. Please.
Anika,
There
please
should-
go ahead, make your
there should be
point.
some dignity, ma'am.
Focus
Yes,
on
some
the
dignity.
point.
Nonsense.
Ladies,
I am
let's
doing
just
that.
show kindness because we like some kindness for ourselves. Let's show some kindness to others.
Ma'am, actually, these people are all fake. Fake है तो safe है. This is the caption of Bharatiya Janata
Anika,
Party.
let's stick to the
Ma'am, I
the
have
crux
to,
of
ma'am,
the
because she
argument.
goes on rattling.
Right.
If she goes on rattling
Anika,
wrong
let's
things,
let's stick to the argument.
ma'am, it was
औकात में रहना
the
सीखिए,
Bharatiya Janata
madam.
Party,
औकात में रहना
the Bharatiya
सीखिए।
Janata Party for 10 years in the center while Kejriwal was in Delhi. Now both the parties are conniving with each other and they have deteriorated Delhi from the condition that Sheila Ji had actually kept. Green Delhi, clean Delhi, no to kerosene, no to plastic bag, cleaning of Yamuna. There were 7 interceptors which was identified, but nothing helped. There was nothing. You see the condition of the aims. What is she talking, ma'am?
Abhinandita,
I
I want to bring you
of the woman
today.
to
No,
talk
no,
about
okay,
Sheila
I'm not.
Ji. The person is not even around here to justify what she has
No, but
done.
the big question that's been posed today, I think, Abhinandita, the timing of the Delhi election has been very tricky for the Aam Aadmi Party. We have the Mahakumbh happening, and that's, of course, given the BJP the opportunity to milk it to their advantage because the attack coming in from the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister was so quick on expected lines that can Arvind Kejriwal actually take a dip in the Yamuna just like the way he did in Ganga? That's the question he's posed.
Well, can Yogi ji take a dip in the Yamuna that flows from UP? Which Delhi gets? That would be my question to him.
Right, but it's the national capital which is going to go through election, not Uttar Pradesh right now, no?
Yeah, but because he has asked, so one has to respond. But let me say this clearly. Maybe there are 10 things that Mr. Yogi can do. But there are things that Arvind Kejriwal ji has already done that Mr. Yogi cannot dream of doing. The halat of schools in UP is pathetic. We have seen videos all the time. There are people dying outside hospitals or people who cannot reach primary health care and they die, and there are hundreds of videos like that every other month. Please have a look at it. Arvind Kejriwal ji thought about and worked on primary health care. Yogi cannot ever do it. Arvind Kejriwal thought that it is important for the women in Delhi, because it's a big city, to have mobility, and for that mobility the buses were made free. Yogi cannot dream of doing it. Bijli 200 unit Bijli Maaf, as soon as the Aam Aadmi Party government was formed, Yogi ji cannot do it. If any of you live in Noida, you tell us how many power cuts you have. The list is endless. The difference is that BJP and its leaders only think about winning elections and the BJP. Whereas the Aam Aadmi Party is actually thinking about nation building. And how will the nation be built? It will be built on the pillars of education. It will be built on the pillars of healthcare. It will be built on the pillar of empowering the women. So this is where we come from. I mean, there are no match.
All right, Sanju Verma, the big allegation coming from. Sanju, listen to my question. Okay, listen to my question. Sanju, the big allegation coming in from Arvind Kejriwal was that a 400. I am going to come to you, Anika. I will.
Ms. Mathur, that about primary health, she said, ma'am. Tell me, why are there vacancies there for the nursing, for the hospitals? There are 8,000 vacancy. If that was a concern, why didn't they fill the vacancy? During COVID time, you see the way the Delhi government couldn't perform.
All right, Abhinandita will have to answer that. But Sanju, the question coming in now is that.
Devastating state.
Okay, Anika, taken your question. Sanju, I think it's also the whole issue around electricity. He's gone on to make a massive claim over there that a 400, electricity bill will cost 4,000 in Uttar Pradesh, whereas it's free in Delhi. And yes, there are 6-hour long power cuts in Uttar Pradesh. Can they say that for Delhi? How can Yogi ji say that for Delhi?
Akanksha, I heard the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson, Kejriwal can do this, but Yogi cannot do this. What can Yogi do? And what can Modi do more importantly? Modi Yogi ki combination का ये track record है. Agra Lucknow Expressway, Delhi Meerut Expressway,
Anika, please, if you don't want anybody speaking over you, okay, whoever is going to speak, I am sorry, I will have to mute you. Whoever will speak over the other panelists while speaking, I'll have to mute you.
There was no safety of women.
Anika, we give you time. This is not done. This is unruly behavior, please. Sanju, please go ahead. I'm afraid I'll have to mute you, Anika. Whoever speaks over the other panelists will have to be muted. Simple.
Thank you. So, Akanksha, very quickly. Agra Lucknow Expressway, Delhi Meerut Expressway, Agra Noida Expressway, Purvanchal Expressway, Bundelkhand Expressway, Gorakhpur Link Expressway, Delhi Saharanpur Dehradun Expressway, Gorakhpur Siliguri Expressway, Ganga Expressway, Lucknow Metro, Agra Metro, Kanpur Metro, Gazipur Balia, Manji Ghat Expressway. All these things have been done by Yogi Adityanath, but most importantly, 2016 May, Delhi was reeling under dengue. Arvind Kejriwal was busy treating his throat infection at Jindal Clinic in Bengaluru, saying, "Mujhse na ho paega." 2021, during the height of COVID second wave, thank God we have Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. Nahi to Delhi wale, they were falling down like a pack of cards. And Kejriwal said, Modi ji, Delhi ko bachaiye, mujhse na ho paega. Kejriwal ke 80 crore ka sheesh mahal, that is the harsh reality. He said, मैं तो जी कट्टर ईमानदार हूँ. Kejriwal out on bail, Sisodia out on bail, Satinder Jain out on bail, Sanjay Singh out on bail.
Abhinandita wants to come up with a. Let Abhinandita respond. Abhinandita, please go ahead. All right, you made your point, Sanju.
Maybach ka chashma, then it's fine.
Abhinandita, please respond.
Can go
Anika, allow the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson to make her point, given that the question's been posed to her.
Thank you. I definitely cannot and would not like to match Sanjuji's pitch. I mean, I think it's an insult to the audience because people are watching us today on the eve of elections to see us discuss things that matter to them and not do this whataboutery. I can also go on and on about, I mean, what kind.
All right, let's get to
with his name.
All right, let's not get personal.
Coming to the point, madam, coming to the point.
Abhinandita, make your point. Yes, Sanju, let her allow her to please speak. Yes, let's not get personal.
Madam, no.
Are you a fake lawyer? Yes
May
or
I?
no?
Abhinandita, make your point. Make your point.
Tell me you are a fake lawyer.
Let me just put it straight. Look,
Ladies, please calm down. This discussion will not go anywhere. Yes.
Not going to get a single vote for the BJP. आपकी ऐसी बातों से किसी को वोट नहीं मिलेगा बीजेपी को. ये जो आप चिल्ला के करिए, हम दिल्ली के लोग हैं. We want to talk about our issues. Now stop it. You have stalled the work of Delhi with the worst kind of means.
Gujarat.
Regardless of that, the Aam Aadmi Party government has been working day in and day out.
कर्नाटक जीतेंगे
This year,
हम तो उत्तराखंड जीतेंगे
2,000 of our students have cleared IIT. Thousands of our
You are a
students
fake lawyer.
become
or no?
lawyers.
Let's-
Thousands of our students
Ladies, this is not going anywhere.
engineers. Who is
You have to
responsible
have
for
it.
it?
You come on national
This is the
TV
intent of the Aam Aadmi Party.
This is
Sanju
what
ji,
the-
I'm afraid I'll have to request my director to mute the ones who are speaking over each other right now. It's Abhinandita's turn to speak. Please let Abhinandita speak.
Thank you.
The rest will be muted. Please, Abhinandita, please go
Thank
ahead.
you. My limited point is that the kind of work, transformational work that the Aam Aadmi Party has done in the last 10 years has even compelled BJP and Modi ji to go and sit in a school, which is fake unfortunately. But to say कि हम भी primary health पे काम करेंगे, education पे काम करेंगे, this is the contribution of Aam Aadmi Party, madam. And we have evidence that our students are doing really well. They're going abroad, they're getting jobs,
All
they're
right.
becoming engineers, they're
I'm
becoming
going to,
doctors.
I'm
You tell
going
me
to circle
one
back.
BJP state.
I'm going to circle
You tell
back
me
to Sanju.
one BJP rule state that can boast.
Okay.
Tell me
Sanju,
one BJP rules that
Sanju,
can boast of
Sanju,
education,
you
public
want to
education
respond
and
now,
everything.
but please do not get personal. Let's not get so testy over here.
Fake lawyer, शांत हो जाओ.
Acha,
You are a
let's not
fake
get
lawyer.
personal.
That's what I've been told by people. शांत हो जाओ.
Sanju, make your point.
My simple point is this. She has a problem with my pitch. I have a problem with her grey cells, which are non-existent. But be that as it may, let's be very clear, Akanksha. The basic premise on which Aam Aadmi Party came into politics was that we will give clean, transparent governance. But I think Kejriwal does not even know the meaning of the word accountability. He had a problem with the LG Anil Baijal. He had a problem with the LG Najib Jung. He has a problem with the current LG VK Saxena. And his illiterate Darbari, Abhinandita Mathur, has the audacity to say, oh, हमने तो जी ये कर दिया, हमने तो जी वो कर दिया, आपने सब कुछ कर दिया, तो हरियाणा में एक सीट क्यों नहीं जीते आप?
Alright.
कर्नाटका में आपके सारे डिपॉजिट खा गई जनता. You lost deposits on 99% of the seats you contested. You said we will get 185 seats in Gujarat. You were limited to 5 seats. You said we will win Goa 2022. You were limited to 2 seats. You said we will win at least 7 Lok Sabha seats in Punjab. You were limited to 3 seats. Your track record is basically limited to 1.5 states. मैंने तो ये सुना है
Alright.
केजरीवाल जी भगवंत मन को निकालकर पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री बनने की तैयारी कर रहे हैं क्योंकि दिल्ली की जनता केजरीवाल को इस बार धक्के मार के निकालने वाली
No,
है.
all right,
That is
Abhinandita,
our
I think the
track record.
question, there's so much being added to the entire political rhetoric. Abhinandita, answer my question. For a state like Punjab, which is already battling crime rate, the menace of drug cartels, what was the need to bring Punjab police personnel and add them to Arvind Kejriwal, who's no longer the Delhi Chief Minister? A. B. already has a Z plus security. I know you've withdrawn. The Punjab police security personnel have been withdrawn, yes. This after the MHA guidelines were sent over to the Delhi police. What was the need?
Okay, firstly, I think factually that is incorrect. When the Chief Minister of Punjab,
No,
and there
what is
protocol,
incorrect?
when Punjab was in Delhi or was with Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, needless to say, his security will accompany him.
No,
That
but
is not-
It is not just
That is
to
not-
do. No. These are facts that have been admitted and acknowledged by the Delhi police and the MHA itself. That there have
But
been
that is the
Punjab
Delhi
police
police and the
personnel
MHA.
campaigning
That is
irrespective
Delhi
of the
police, not the
Punjab. No,
Punjab
I will not let
administration.
you misrepresent facts here, Abhinandita. Let's
No,
admit
not at all.
that the
But
Punjab
let
Chief
me-
Minister, whether or not in Delhi, had nothing to do with the presence of the Punjab security personnel over here in the national capital.
Let me tell you something. In the last few elections of Delhi, बीजेपी के बड़े से बड़े नेता, their home minister, this, that, गलियों में door to door करने की नौबत आ गई है. They come with their entire force. The protocol. This is least of the problem here.
All right, we are
Please
again
understand it.
digressing.
Please
Whenever
understand
we
it.
pose questions to the party, the answers never come.
No, you
That's
talk
the
to me.
problem. I'm
You
asking-
talk to me about a vision for Delhi and you talk to... I have one simple question for Sanju Verma. Give me one state that is ruled by the BJP where you can boast of the government doing well.
Okay, Sanju, quick 30 seconds. I have a question for Anika.
आप बता दो एक state.
Right,
एक state
Sanju,
आप बता दो
quickly, I have to close with a question for Anika.
where you're proud of the...
Right, okay, Abhinandita, you made your point. Sanju Verma, quickly, 30 seconds.
Can you ask me the question, Akanksha? I'm here to answer your
Right,
question.
they
not to
are
answer
basically the
of a fake
question
lawyer.
right now is which is that state in Uttar Pradesh which can provide free health and free education to the people of the state, just like the way Delhi has, as is being claimed by Kejriwal and the gang?
Should I tell you something? Kejriwal's government, 662 schools which are run by Kejriwal and his cohort, 662 schools, Akanksha, either don't have a principal or don't have a vice principal. In December 2024, Justice Manmohan Singh of the Delhi High Court castigated Kejriwal, saying 6.5 lakh students in Delhi schools don't even have a school uniform to wear.
All right. Now I'm going to actually end this discussion with Onika Malhotra. Onika Malhotra, everybody is saying that this is turning out to be a bipolar fight only because the Gandhis are not seen. Given that Rahul Gandhi is not been keeping well, we in fact wish him a speedy recovery. But the fact of the matter is, where are the Gandhis? Why aren't they on the ground?
Oh, come on, ma'am. You just have nothing else but to bring in Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi.
Oh, because they are your star campaigners.
So aren't they doing it? We did it in Sadar yesterday. Where are you, ma'am?
Where was Priyanka Gandhi? Where was Priyanka Gandhi?
Why
She will be in the next rally, but she was not there at the yesterday rally.
Why everybody on the same stage, same day? There's so many that is going to take place. What is your worry? Actually, the
worry is you are just, the Delhi election is round the corner.
We have served the people of Delhi. We have served the people of Delhi. You do this, you do that. Ma'am, that's your sense. We leave it to you to do this.
I've just been wondering.
Even I can do all that.
All right, let's not get personal, ladies.
It doesn't affect us.
I'm sure the Delhi walas can
doing this.
All right.
Go ahead, ma'am.
It's turning out to be a pretty heated election campaign and even the discussion. Thank you, ladies. Let's not get personal, but